President of the State of Palestine, President Mahmoud Abbas, has decided to award His Excellency Mr. Geir Otto Pedersen, Star of Friendship, of the Order of President Mahmoud Abbas, in recognition of his distinguished role in promoting friendship and cooperation between Palestine and Norway, and in appreciation of his efforts in supporting the Palestinian people and their just cause for freedom and independence.
You have to put also his effort in also.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
This is part of it.
Thank you so much. Wow.
Because you were
Indeed.
one of the most important people who gave us also.